Here at Kingston Dodge, we have a red 2008 Ford Focus SES. It's a 5-speed with cruise control and air conditioning. This comes with heated seats inside and power mirrors and keyless entry. It's a nice vehicle. Come on in and have a look at this. Power windows. It has power steering. It has an AM/FM stereo inside. Also has heated exterior mirrors. Cruise control. You can see, and then there's also a CD player along with a MP3 hookup for your MP3 player. Coming in here, you have a look at the dash. You see the Bluetooth, hands-free. What a nice vehicle, 2008, and it comes with all the doodads here. It's 5-speed. It's got dual auxiliaries there. Really nice. Glove box in here, quite deep. It's in great shape. Clean, deep glove box. We'll look at the really good upholstery here. It's in great shape. As I said, it's a 2008. It's in wonderful shape here. Really great deal. Come in, we'll have a look. It is a 2-door. What a nice red color with a spoiler on the back. Really neat, fun vehicle. Open up the trunk, power trunk that just pops open, nice and clean, lots of room in there. Got reclining seats inside as well, and front wheel drive, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, some privacy glass, which is really nice. You can see the inside here. It's got the tether straps in the back. I'm into Kingston Dodge today to take this for a test drive. Come into Kingston Dodge today, 1429 Princess Street.